everyone! Miss Elena again with my two special assistants, Vicky.
Hello.
And a giraffe. Hello! I know one giraffe that has a YouTube channel. It's Geraldine, right? Do you remember? And Geraldine is teaching you some sounds. This week it was sound F. F sound. It's very similar to the F sound with a different spelling, which is much easier. F like in flower, feeling, fantastic, and many other words. The H combination is a little bit more difficult because the sound is identical to our normal F. The only way to memorize those words is to remember them. There's no other way. Today, we're going to try to do a dictation. It is not a spelling test, so it's going to contain some words you know and some new words. It shouldn't be difficult, and it's okay if you make mistakes. Please prepare some paper, a pen and a pencil. If you need to stop the video, do it, and I will wait for you. Here we go. I am ready. First word is phone. 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 Second word is photo. Photo. Word number 3 is dolphin. Dolphin. Number 4, trophy. Trophy. Number 5, phrase. 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 Number 6, graph. 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 And number 7, Phil. Phil is a short form of name Philip, which is an English version of name Filippo, and it starts with PH. Phil. Phil. Now, I want you to turn the page over like this. And here on the other side, we're going to write a sentence. Boys and girls, remember, when we write a sentence, we start with a capital letter and we finish with a full stop. Don't forget to keep some space between the words. All right, let's do it. Phil, look at my phone. There is a photo of a dolphin. Phil, look at my phone. There is a photo of a dolphin. Phil, look at my phone. There is a photo of a dolphin. Boys and girls, if you need to hear the dictation again, you can skip and watch it again. When you're ready, watch the next video to check your progress. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.